And that's it. We are concluding async await, very important concept in terms of using JavaScript in asynchronous mode. Let's quickly revise the concepts that we have learned. I have created a quick revision material for you. I will provide the link for this particular material in the text file, which you can find it in the associated resources with this particular session.
Hey there. If you're finding this video helpful, you'll love our full online course on JavaScript with node.js. It goes even more in depth and covers everything you need to know. Check out the link in the description to enroll and take your skills to the next level.
So async await, we understand how it is, how to use this, how we can do error handling with async await, very important, how we can handle a promise chain. So basically async await handles the promise receiving part. So whatever we do when we receive a promise, handle a promise, that part is handled pretty nicely by using async and await. So we saw that. We also saw how we can club multiple async awaits together, basically multiple awaits together for running the promises in parallel mode. So this is pretty much everything we wanted to see in this particular session. If you have any questions, please let me know.
Thanks for watching. If you want to dive deeper into JavaScript with Node.js, don't forget to explore our complete online course. Click the link in the description to get started today. Plus, subscribing to our channel ensures you won't miss out on more valuable content in the future. See you in the class.